Here it is, 11 print-on-demand hacks with AI in 4 minutes to make an extra $333 per month. I've set the time, here it is, let's get into it. First up, we're going to search for niche iconography for Harley-Davidson bikers. Straight up, it gives us a ton of gold. The eagle skulls, the Harley-Davidson logo, stay away from it. The wings, the motorcycle chains and gears. Each of these have been used in hundreds of our designs that have sold very, very well over the last 10 years. Next up, selling on Shopify and Etsy, sometimes we want to come up with creative descriptions for our products. And using ChatGPT, we can get it to create descriptions for a Gildan 18,000 sweatshirt for a mum with a young bub. And this is what it's created. It's really, really cool. Cherish comfort mum and bub Gildan 18,000 sweatshirt. Embrace the warmth of motherhood with the Cherish Comfort sweatshirt, exclusively designed for the superhero mums navigating the beautiful journey with their young bubs. It is great and it guides them through to actually read what the product actually is. Next up is using it to discover the slang terms that are being used within the niche. So if you're looking for hunter terms or biker terms or whatever it is, whatever the niche is that you've discovered on earring, you can come into ChatGPT and ask it to give you those niche slang terms. And here it's given me 50: hog, iron horse, rubber side down, and so many of them can be used and incorporated into your designs. Next, we can get it to illustrate different vectors of that niche iconography. So in here, you can see that straight up, it's given me different ideas straight away. Very, very cool. But I wanted to get more specific and create a heart-shaped V-twin engine. I know these guys love their V-twins, and I know the heart represents love. And it's great on a lot of our print-on-demand products. And then it created this. Very, very cool. And then I asked it to add eagle wings, and it gave me this. Amazing. You can use these in your designs. If you're selling print-on-demand products like jewelry, you might want to figure out what names are given to significant others in different niches. In here, I've asked ChatGPT to give me 10 names for significant others that deer hunters use for their partners. And again, it gave me some really good stuff. Not all of it's great, but some of it is spot on. Camo Queen, Camo King, that is great. Love it. I'd love to know, what have you been using ChatGPT to do in your print-on-demand business? Comment below. Again, staying with the biker niche, I've asked it to give me 10 heartfelt messages that a biker might share with his old lady, reflecting a deep sense of companionship, love, and a share of adventure. And it gave me some really, really cool stuff. Behind every strong biker is an even stronger woman. You are my rock, my support, and my joy. Together we ride the storms and chase the sunrise. These are so much stronger than what it used to do 12 months ago, and they keep getting better. Next, I wanted the help of ChatGPT to find out what 20 funny shirt concepts for a mum and baby could be. And again, solid gold. Running on caffeine and cuddles. I'm not late, just early for tomorrow. Mombi, a mum too tired to be awake. Great. You can blend bits and pieces of all these different ones and create something that hasn't been seen before. You can use it for product research and get it to give you the 10 most popular product categories on Etsy. And it gave me a list: handmade jewelry, wedding items, home decor, clothing. So we've got some really cool starting points to go in and do some more research. Wedding items and home decor being the most interesting. Further through, I had ChatGPT tell me what the top wedding trends of 2024 actually will be. And it gave me a list. And again, of any one of these, you can go further and deeper with the use of ChatGPT. Doing so, I wanted to get 10 funny groomsmen proposal phrases, and it came up with some good stuff. I can't say I do without you, and a few others. Be my groomsman. Very cool. One of the hardest things to do when you're starting a new Etsy or Shopify store is come up with the store name. ChatGPT makes it so easy. So I had ChatGPT create 20 unique names for an Etsy gift store. And here's what it came up with: Gift Gleam, Charm Crafter, Whimsy Wrap. Very cool. Then I had ChatGPT come up with a phrase that I could use for a sweatshirt to mums on Instagram. And again, it delivered the goods. And there you have it, 11 print-on-demand hacks with AI to get you to that $333 a day in order to make that $10,000 in a month. In fact, if you want to make that $5,000 to $10,000 per month in as little as 2 hours a day, then make sure you check out Pod Hacks. It's the first link in the description below. It is my coaching program for print-on-demand, where I give you the step-by-step roadmap to creating more time freedom and financial independence in your life. Love this video? Make sure you like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and check out all my past content, because it's helping you make more money online faster in less time. Stay awesome.